Beauty and the Beast afternoon tea in the Waldorf Hotel.
They've actually got some Pegasuses. That kind of looks like Bacchus God of Wine. I'm excited, let's have our tea. Robots are taking everyone's jobs now. Chandeliers, of course, roses in the tree. And look, there's a harpist. A beautiful rose. Hello, Mrs. Pot, signature blend. Can you hear the bubbles?
They're already playing music. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. We're going for a beautiful afternoon tea in the Waldorf Hotel. Next stop is Charing Cross.
Look at it, the little machine is cleaning on its own. That's actually crazy. I can't believe it. Robots are taking everyone's jobs now.
We're at Charing Cross, guys. Let's go walk to the Waldorf Hotel. That's the Waldorf Hotel. They're already playing music from Disney. It's Pocahontas.
Oh wow, this is our table. And look, there's a harpist.
With the tea selection, it's on the back few pages. Have as many teas as you like.
At our table, we have a beautiful rose from Beauty and the Beast. And you know, I love it when it's tongue sugar with the little cubes. That's my favourite. And a rose. That is a lovely detail. If we look at the room, there's like roses in the tree. It's so pretty. Chandeliers, of course. Thank you. A little cup, but it doesn't have a chip, but we're quite happy that it doesn't. Let's have a look inside the menu. Be our guest, the Enchanted Rose afternoon tea. I'm going to try the Waldorf signature blend. I'm excited, let's have our tea. There's the Waldorf blend inside Mrs. Pot.
That's lovely. Make sure to use the strainers, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Hello, Mrs. Pot. My friend is having the Assam blend. It's like a dark tea, isn't it?
This here is your spring starter. Roasted red pepper soup with fennel seeds and lemon cream. On the side is our wild garlic, asparagus and pea tart. Enjoy!
Thank you.
It tastes like Turkish food. And the little green tart. I enjoy that as well.
A whipped ricotta on Nordic bread with grilled courgettes and balsamic. Above that is our smoked chicken with basil mayo on the croissant. This one's our lavender butter on the sourdough bread, pea and kale salad, and our salmon grilled.
You can see I spilled there, guys, but let's just ignore that and let's try this signature Waldorf blend.
I don't get any orange, but it's like a very rich malty tea.
This one's the salmon sandwich. I like the plates that they come on as well. Let's try the salmon.
It's got a herby flavour to it. I've never had a herby salmon before. The bread is fresh and soft, thank God. Because I went on a boat cruise and it had such hard bread, but this is lovely. Very fresh, very summery. That's like a palate cleanser. There's like a raw salad on a roll. I'm not sure about that one.
This one looks very cute. I plain tale as old as time. Let's try the little croissant.
That's the best sandwich. Wow, that's so good.
I accidentally forgot to use my sieve and now I'm drinking loads of leaves. Guys, don't make the same mistake as me. Thank you. Beautiful. Very pretty colour. Oh, it smells lovely as well. Red velvet tea.
In the last shot, there is strawberry elderflower and rose eton mess, cocoa, which is dark chocolate tart, the round one, apple mousse pebble, the green one, and next to it, cheesecake, which is lemon and mint, scones, raisin and classic ones. On the side, strawberry jam, rhubarb jam, and clotted cream. A little presentation, magic.
Oh, wow. I can hear Chip bubbling.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh my god. How do they do that? Magic. Magic for sure. Look at us getting covered in the smoke. Is there dry ice in there? Literally, what is it? Can you hear the bubbles? The presentation is so cute, guys. Let's try the scones. They're in a little red rose bed. The first one we're trying is the raisin scone. Let's try the rhubarb one first. I'm very iffy on rhubarb, but maybe we'll give it a go.
The scones are delightful. I actually don't like rhubarb, but this jam is actually nice. I enjoy the tartness to it. Strawberry jam is a classic for a reason. I'm going in for another bite. The desserts are the best part of the Beauty and the Beast afternoon tea. It feels like this apple dessert should belong to Snow White. Wow, it's like fresh apple in there. It's so yummy. Very lemony. I'm not a lemon girly. If you're a lemon fan, you'll like this.
I feel like these are holding up Cogsworth. I've got to be so careful. It's a little shot of Eton Mess. And I'm not a huge Eton Mess fan, but I'll be a good sport. There's a rose petal. Oh, that's a nice touch, isn't it? Let's dig in, guys. Loads of cream.
Yeah, it's like a jammy whipped cream. Not my fave.
The final little dessert, guys. Mr. Cogsworth.
We're going to have to destroy him, unfortunately. Murder of Mr. Cogsworth.
Oh my god, my favourite song's playing. From Breakfast at Tiffany's, Moon River. Have you seen Breakfast at Tiffany's? Mr. Cogsworth is about to die to Moon River. Oh god, I'm sorry. You was a good and necessary character. Chocolatey, who knew? I thought he'd be more of a lemony fellow. Let's see what Mr. Cogsworth tastes like. Mr. Cogsworth is very rich.
My favourite tea was the red velvet tea. It smelled amazing. It was so fruity. The weirdest thing was this raw salad on a roll. It tasted like the things I picked out of a salad, like chunks of coriander and raw peas on a buttered roll. But the tastiest thing was actually the little green apple dessert. That was amazing. And to have a harpist playing like nostalgic songs. I highly enjoyed the nostalgia, the Disney experience. The desserts were lovely. The chicken croissant sandwich was nice. The salmon one was a bit herby. Definitely try the red velvet if you like a soft fruity tea. The Beauty and the Beast afternoon tea in the Waldorf Hotel was a solid 7 out of 10.
At the Hilton Waldorf Hotel in London. For 2 people, it's £106.20. It's so pretty in here, guys. This is the foyer, and outside it's really raining quite hard. We had a lovely time in the Waldorf Hotel, and now we're going to have a little look inside Somerset House. We're about to get soaked. Look at the weather, guys. That's British weather for you. We're in Somerset House now. That's the courtyard. It's very wet weather. We're in the beautiful Somerset House. We're gonna go and have a little peek inside. Look at this beautiful sculpture, guys. Like, how pretty. That kind of looks like Bacchus god of wine. This is the Somerset House on a rainy day in London. We're gonna walk off the afternoon tea now. It's very pretty here. They have a stamp office, guys. A whole office for stamps. The architecture is absolutely beautiful. This is not the weather for playing Knock Down Ginger. Oh, there's some scary hobgoblins over there. Their faces are like melted off. Guys, how pretty is the ceiling? And look at this. They've actually got some Pegasuses at the end. They're so cute. There's this giant long corridor, and I don't even know what rooms we're supposed to go in. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.